Good morning, students. Now we are going to see the 12th Max 3rd Unit 26th example. Okay. Now listen. First, we are going to discussing theorem 3.5. That is rational root theorem. It is rational root theorem. Rational root theorem. What says rational root theorem? Let an x power n plus etc. a1x plus a0 with an not equal to 0 and a0 not equal to 0 be a polynomial with integer coefficients. Polynomial with integer coefficients. If p by q with p comma q is equal to 1 is a root of the polynomial, then p is a factor of a0 and q is a factor of an. Once again listen. Given polynomial equation is in the form of an x power n, an minus 1, x power n minus 1, etc. a1x plus a0. Okay. Here an not equal to 0. That is the coefficient of x power n. This is an. This an is not equal to 0. And the last term, that is constant term a0. This is also not equal to 0. Be a polynomial with integer coefficients. All the coefficients are integers. If p by q, we take p by q, then p comma q is equal to 1. What is p comma q? Within bracket p comma q, it means GCD of p comma q. This p comma q represent what? P comma q represent GCD. GCD of p comma q is equal to 1 is a root of the polynomial. Then p is a factor of a0. The last constant term, is it? This constant term, p is a factor of a0. Next, q is a factor of an, first coefficient. Q is a factor of that coefficient a0, an. Now we are going to some example 3.26. Okay, listen. Here the polynomial equation is given. Find the roots of 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 3. This is a cubic polynomial. So we are going to solving. After solving this equation, we get how many roots? We get 3 roots. Okay. Here the normally we are going to solve this by using remainder theorem. But this is not possible here because this all the terms are in positive terms. So remainder theorem is not possible. So we are going to use this rational root theorem. Now we are going to use this rational root theorem. If the rational root theorem, first we find the p comma q value. First we find the p comma q value. Here listen, what is a0 and an? Here an is 2. An is equal to 2. Okay, a0 is equal to what? A0 is equal to 3. Okay, now p is a factor of a0. P is a factor of a0. What is the factor of 3? And q is a factor of an. That is an equal to 2. Okay, now we are going to find the factors of a0 and an. Now listen. Here a0 is equal to 3. a0 is equal to 3. Now the factor of a0, that is p value. P is equal to factor of 3. What is the factor of 3? That is the factor of 3 is 1 minus 1 and 3 minus 3. This is the factor of a0, that is p value. Next an. What is an value? An is equal to 2. Then q is equal to factor of an. What is the factor of an? It is factor of 2. The same value 1 minus 1 and 2 minus 2. Okay. P value is 1 minus 1, 3 minus 3. And q values are 1 minus 1, 2 minus 2. Now we are going to find p by q value. Okay. Next we are going to find P by Q value, because if P by Q, the rational root theorem says P by Q, here P comma Q is equal to 1 is the root of the polynomial. Okay, so first we are going to find the P by Q value. Here P is, P value is, what are the P values? Here P value is 1 minus 1, 3 minus 3. P is equal to 1 minus 1, 3 minus 3. And Q values are 1 minus 1 and 2 minus 2. Okay, now we are going to find the P by Q value. Now P by Q, that is 1 by 1. Okay, next 1 by minus 1, next 1 by 2, next 1 by minus 2. Okay, next we are taking the next value. Listen, first we take 1 with 1 by 1, 1 by minus 1, 1 by 2, 1 by minus 2. Now we are going to take the another value minus 1. So minus 1 by 1. Next minus 1 by minus 1. Next minus 1 by 2. And next minus 1 by minus 2. Okay, next we are taking the next value, next P value 3. So 3 by 1, 3 by minus 1 and 3 by 2. Next 3 by minus 2. And last we are taking the another value minus 3. So minus 3 by 1 and minus 3 by minus 1. Now we write the P by Q values. First we cancel the similar values. We take only single values. Okay, now listen. Here first one 1 by 1. 1 by 1 is equal to 1. So we write only 1. Okay, next, 1 by 1, it's finished. The similar value where is 1 by 1? Here minus 1 by 1. So this is also we write only one single value 1. Next 1 by minus 1. This is minus 1. Okay, so P by Q takes minus 1. Here also minus 1 by 1. So already we write minus 1. Next 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2. Here minus 1 by minus 2. So minus cancelled. We write one time 1 by 2. Okay. Here only we write 1 by 2 only. Plus 1 by 2. Next here minus 1 by 2. 1 by minus 2 means minus 1 by 2. Here also then minus 1 by 2. So we write only minus 1 by 2. Next 3 by 1. This is equal to 3. 3 by 1 is equal to 3. Here also next 3 by 1 minus 3 by minus 1. This is also equal to 3. Okay. Next 3 by minus 1. This is equal to minus 3. Here also minus 3 by 1. So we write only minus 3. Next 3 by 2. Here 3 by 2 and minus 3 by minus 2. So minus cancelled. So we write only 3 by 2. Next 3 by minus 2. That is minus 3 by 2. Here we can write minus 3 by 2. So we write minus 3 by 2. Here P by Q takes 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 values. P by Q takes 8 values. But here how many positive values and how many negative values? Are you round the positive and negative values? Here 1 is the positive value and 1 by 2 is the another positive value. 3 is the positive value. 3 by 2 is the positive value. So we have 4 positive values. Listen, our given P of X is all the terms are in positive terms. So we suppose we are applying this positive values, we get the value is greater than 0. Okay, not comes to 0. Okay, suppose we substitute the positive values. These four positive values 1, 1 by 2, 3, 3 by 2. We are going to substitute these four values. Suppose we substitute these four values, we get a positive value. That is 0 greater than 0, not equal to 0. So we cannot substitute these four values. This is not necessary. Okay, so we are going to substitute only negative values. What are they are -1, -1 by 2, -3, -3 by 2. We are going to substitute only four values. Okay, are you remember? Listen. -1, here one value -1, -1 by 2, -3, -3 by 2. Okay, now listen. Okay, now our sum is, what is our p of x? Here p of x is 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 3. 2x cube plus 3x square. Our p of x is 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 3. Now we substitute one by one single value. Okay. First we substitute x equal to -1. Okay. Now p of -1. 2 into -1 whole cube plus 3 into -1 whole square plus 3 into -1 whole square plus 2 into -1 plus 3. Now 2 into -1 whole cube, that is -1 into -1 into -1, -1, -1 into 2, -2, plus 2 into -1 whole square, 3 into -1 whole square, so -1 plus 1 into 3, 3. 2 into -1, -2 plus 3. So 3 plus 3, 6, -2, -2, -4. This is equal to 2. This is not equal to 0. So -1 is not a root of the given polynomial. Okay. Next we are going to substitute -1 by 2. Okay. Now listen, the next factor, next p by q value is -1 by 2. First we write p of x, next we substitute the value. Okay. Okay. Now listen, p of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 3. Now we are going to substitute x is equal to -1 by 2. Okay. Okay. Now listen, p of -1 by 2 is equal to, which implies p of -1 by 2 is equal to, listen, to -1 by 2 whole cube. What is the answer? -1 by 8. So 2 into -1 by 8 plus 3 into 1 by 2 whole square, -1 by 2 whole square, so 1 by 4, that is plus 1 by 4 plus 2 into -1 by 2, 2 into -1 by 2 plus 3. Now we cancel these 2, so we get the answer -1. Here we simplify it, -1 by 4. Okay. Now here -1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 -1 plus 3. Here we get the answer +2, but here we get the answer 2 by 4, that is here also this term is also not equal to 0. So -1 by 2 not a root of the polynomial equation. So we are going to substitute the another value. Then what is the another value? Here -3 is the another value. So first we write the p of x. Now listen, p of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 3. Now we substitute x is equal to minus 3. Now listen, 2 into here minus 3 whole cube. What is the answer? Minus 27. I directly substitute the value. Okay. Okay. Now listen, 3 into minus 3 whole square. What is the answer? Plus 9. Plus 2 into minus 3. So what is the answer? Minus 6. Plus 3. Now 2 into minus 27. This is equal to minus 54. Plus 3 nines are 27. Minus 6 plus 3. Once again listen. Here we add these two numbers plus 60. Sorry, plus 30. This is minus 60. So this is also not equal to 0. So minus 3 is not a root of this polynomial equation. The last one we are going to substitute x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now we write p of x. P of x is equal to 2x cube plus 3x square plus 2x plus 3. Now we substitute what? P of minus 3 by 2. Okay. Now listen, 2 into minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2 into minus 3 by 2. And what is the answer? Minus 27 by 8. Okay. Plus 3 into minus 3 by 2 whole square. And what is the answer? Plus 9 by 4. Minus, I write in the front of the number minus sign. 2 into minus 3 by 2. 2 into 3 by 2 plus 3. Okay. Now we cancel these 2 and 8. So minus 54 by 4. Okay. Plus 27 by 4. Minus, here we cancel these two numbers. Okay. 2 cancel. Then what's the answer? Minus 3 and plus 3. Okay. Now we cancel the plus 3 minus 3 and minus 27 by 4 plus 27 by 4. So the answer is 0. Now x equal to minus 3 by 2 is the root of this equation. Okay. X equal to minus 3 by 2 is the root of the equation. Now we are going to solve the p of x in the synthetic form. Okay. In the synthetic form. Listen. First we write the coefficients. First we write the coefficient, that is 2, 3, 2, 3. Okay. We are going to divide this term by minus 3 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. First we write here 0. Then adding these two numbers we get 2. Then 2 into minus 3 by 2. That is 2 cancel. Then what is the answer? Here minus 3. Now we add these two numbers we get 0. Next 0 into minus 3 by 2. That is here 0. Now 2 plus 0, 2. Now 2 into minus 3 by 2, minus 3. So minus 3 plus 3 cancelled. The remainder is 0. Then what is the quotient? That is q of x equal to 2x square plus 0x. We didn't write this 0. So 2x square plus 2. Okay. Now we are going to getting another two roots. Q of x equal to 0. That is 2 factors. Okay. 2x square plus 2 equal to 0. Then 2x square equal to minus 2. Then x square equal to minus 1. Then x equal to plus or minus I. Plus or minus I. Already we find x equal to minus 3 by 2. Already we found x equal to minus 3 by 2. Just now we find the answer plus I and minus I. Okay. Now our cubic equation gets 3 roots. That is minus 3 by 2 plus I minus I. Students, are you understand this sum? Okay. Thank you.